If you're a contractor, remodeler, or serious DIYer looking for a compact drill that delivers real job site power, this review is for you. Today we're taking a deep look at the Milwaukee 3601-21P compact drill driver. We'll test its build quality, power, ergonomics, battery performance, and real-world applications to see if it truly deserves a place in your toolbox. Why this drill matters. Compact drills are extremely popular because they balance power and portability. Contractors often need a drill that can work all day without causing fatigue. Milwaukee claims this model delivers strong torque in a lightweight package, but does it actually perform on real job sites? That's what we're going to find out. What's inside the kit? The Milwaukee 3601-21P kit typically includes the compact brushless drill driver, an M18 red lithium battery, a charger, and a contractor bag. Everything is designed for professionals who need reliable tools for daily work. First impressions. Right out of the box, the drill feels solid and well-balanced. Milwaukee tools are known for their rugged build quality, and this one continues that tradition. The rubber overmold grip provides comfort and strong control during use. Build quality. The construction of this drill feels extremely durable. The housing is designed to withstand tough job site conditions. The metal chuck holds bits securely and reduces slipping during heavy drilling tasks. Compact design. One of the biggest advantages of this drill is its compact size. Tight spaces are common in construction work, and a smaller drill can make a huge difference when installing cabinets, working between studs, or assembling fixtures. Brushless motor technology. The Milwaukee 3601-21P uses a brushless motor. Brushless motors run cooler, last longer, and provide more efficient power compared to traditional brushed motors. This means better performance and longer tool life. Ergonomics and comfort. For professionals who use drills all day, ergonomics are critical. This drill feels comfortable in hand and offers excellent grip control. The weight distribution helps reduce wrist strain during long work sessions. Power testing. Now let's talk about power. For a compact drill, this model delivers impressive torque. It can drive long wood screws easily and handle common drilling tasks in wood and drywall. Wood drilling performance. When drilling into standard 2x4 lumber, the drill performs smoothly. The motor maintains consistent speed, and the chuck keeps the bit stable during operation. Metal drilling test. The drill also performs well when drilling through thin metal framing. While it's not designed for heavy industrial drilling, it handles most residential and light commercial tasks confidently. Trigger control. One thing professionals appreciate about Milwaukee drills is the trigger response. This model provides precise speed control, allowing you to start slowly and increase speed smoothly. Battery system. This drill runs on the Milwaukee M18 battery platform. That means it's compatible with a huge range of Milwaukee tools, which is a big advantage for contractors already invested in the system. Battery runtime. With the included battery, you can handle a full range of light to moderate drilling tasks. For heavier workloads, many professionals upgrade to larger M18 batteries. Charging time. Milwaukee chargers are known for their efficiency. Charging times are relatively fast, which helps reduce downtime on busy job sites. Job site durability. Tools on construction sites take a lot of abuse. Dust, drops, and heavy use are common. Milwaukee tools are designed to survive these conditions, and this drill feels built for long-term durability. Best use cases. This drill is perfect for cabinet installers, electricians, HVAC technicians, and remodelers who need a reliable, compact drill. Working in tight spaces. Compact drills really shine in tight spaces. Whether you're installing cabinets or working between framing studs, the smaller design makes the job easier. Overhead work. Because of its lightweight design, this drill works great for overhead tasks, like installing fixtures or mounting equipment. Professional versus DIY use. While DIY users will appreciate this drill, it is truly designed for professional contractors who depend on reliable tools. Comparison to larger drills. Compared to full-size drills, this model sacrifices some raw power but gains portability and comfort. Performance summary. Overall performance is strong for a compact drill. It handles most daily tasks efficiently without feeling underpowered. Pros. The biggest advantages include compact size, strong build quality, smooth trigger control, and compatibility with the M18 battery platform. Cons. The main limitation is that it's not designed for extremely heavy drilling or large lag bolts. Value for money. Milwaukee tools are positioned in the premium category, but many professionals consider them worth the investment due to their durability and reliability. Contractor perspective. For contractors, tools are investments that help complete jobs faster and more efficiently. A reliable drill can save time and reduce frustration. Long-term reliability. Milwaukee has built a strong reputation for producing tools that last for years under professional use. Who should buy this drill? This drill is ideal for professionals who want a lightweight tool for everyday drilling and driving tasks. Final verdict. After testing the Milwaukee 3601-21P, it's clear that this drill delivers solid performance in a compact package. If you found this review helpful and want more professional tool reviews like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our next tool test.